If you've used Basecamp in the past, you can easily import any of your projects, tasks, and users into Teamwork projects in just a few simple steps. So to get to our import tab, we just need to select the options drop down here and then select the settings option. And then in the settings window, we just need to make sure that we have selected the import tab. And over here, you can see our option to import from Basecamp. And over here, we just need to paste in our URL and then select next. So now we just need to log into our Basecamp account and then select next. And now enter our password and log in. Now we just need to allow access. And then if we have multiple Basecamp accounts, we can just select whichever one we want here. And in the pop-up window here, you can see that we can choose to import all people. So this is users and contacts, or we can import users only. Below this, we can select our projects. So we can choose to import all projects here, or we can select specific projects. So I'm just going to select all of our projects, and then I'm going to choose to import. And now our Basecamp projects are importing into Teamwork projects. And there we go. Now all of our data from Basecamp is imported into Teamwork projects. If there are any last minute changes made in Basecamp after we started our import, we can easily just select import again, enter our URL, and again we'll just allow access here. Now we can select our account. And let's say that the finance project here was updated. So over on the right hand side, you can see that we can choose to re-import, which will just re-import all of the data in the finance project. Or we can select update here, which will only select new data. And then choose import. And again, our data is importing. And there we go. That's how easy it is to import your Basecamp data into Teamwork projects.